Voyager 1 enters interstellar space. U.S. News and World Report. U.S. News and World Report. Store. Twitter. Facebook. Google+. Sections Home. News and Opinion. Health. Money. Education. Cars. Travel. Law. Special Reports STEM. Jobs in 2020. How to live to 100. Cybersecurity. Hospital of Tomorrow. Rankings. News. Newscan Walsh's Washington. Newsgram. Washington Whispers. Press Past. At the Edge. Opinion. Science. Cartoons. Photos. Videos. Home greater than Newsgram greater than Voyager 1 enters interstellar space. Voyager 1 enters interstellar space. Spacecraft becomes humanity's first envoy to the stars. By Seth Klein. September 12, 2013 RSS feed print comment. Tweet. Artist's concept of NASA's Voyager 1 entering interstellar space, shown with an orange glow similar to the color seen in visible light images from NASA's Hubble Space Telescope showing stars traveling through interstellar space. After a long, dark wait, NASA has finally confirmed that its Voyager 1 spacecraft has become the human object to enter interstellar space. Voyager 1, launched from Cape Canaveral, Florida, in 1977, is now almost completely beyond the reach of the Sun, some 12 billion miles away. Photos. Voyager 1 probes the outer reaches of the solar system. Scientists have long wondered whether the spacecraft and its twin, Voyager 2, had officially crossed the ethereal boundary that separates our cosmic neighborhood from what lies beyond. Voyager researchers finally answered that question Thursday in a report published in the journal Science. Now that we have new, key data, we believe this is mankind's historic leap into interstellar space, said Ed Stone, Voyager scientist at the California Institute of Technology, Pasadena. We can now answer the question we've all been asking: are we there yet? Yes, we are. By measuring the rattling effect a powerful solar eruption had on the Voyager and its instruments, NASA scientists were able to determine the density of the space surrounding the spacecraft. Interstellar space, in other words, sounds different. From that data, Dr. Net of the University of Iowa, the study's lead author, determined the Voyager was no longer in the heliosphere, the region of space still affected by solar wind coming from the hot surface of Sun. It is instead in an in-between zone outside the main bubble of the Sun's influence, but not quite in the cosmic desert beyond our solar system and the Sun's rays. Voyager 1 and Voyager 2 were originally designed to explore Jupiter and the solar system's outer planets. On its grand tour it flew by unexplored famous photos like the pale blue dot shot of Earth from 4 billion miles away in 1990. The two probes, powered by nuclear radiation, have continued chugging long past their expected lifetimes despite outdated technology. The typical smartphone has more than 240,000 times more memory than Voyager, Suzanne Dodd, Voyager's project manager, said at a press conference announcing the discovery. Its 20-watt transmitter is about the size of a refrigerator light bulb, and a signal from it takes about 17 hours and 22 minutes to reach us here on Earth. But Voyager 1 houses more than just outdated instruments. It also contains the Golden Record, an interstellar message in a bottle put together by author and astronomer Carl Sagan. The record contains sound clips of music from artists including Beethoven, Chuck Berry, and Mozart, as well as spoken greetings in 56 languages and natural sounds like thunder, the ocean, and bird and whale songs. Voyager 1 is expected to keep sending data back home until at least 2020. At some point, the transmissions will be too faint to detect, and the probe will continue alone on its journey, which could theoretically take it to a nearby star in 40,000 years. Voyager has boldly gone where no probe has gone before, marking one of the most significant technological achievements in the annals of the history of science, and adding a new chapter in human scientific dreams and endeavors, said John Grunsfeld, NASA's Associate Administrator for Science in Washington. Perhaps some future deep space explorers will catch up with Voyager, our first interstellar envoy, and reflect on how this intrepid spacecraft helped enable their journey. More news. Astronaut describes nearly drowning in space. Life on Europa. Astronomers find blue planet that rains glass. Seth Klein is a producer at U.S. News World Report. You can follow him on Twitter or reach him at sklein@usnews.com.